Never wanna be a boss ass. Never let her try to play you. If he play you, then rule number 2. And make him.
That's how you feel? And get a dick pic and then you press send. And send a red heart and send a kissy face. And tell him that his friends like how your pussy tastes. And that's rude. I'm the truth. My wrist look like I am a jewel thief. But that's just cause I am a boss bitch.
Now macaroni, cheese, and grill my swordfish, bitch. Period.
It was cool. Turn me up a little bit. Yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can we just get into how lit my intro is? Shout out to White Designs for that amazing intro. Her details will be in the description box below if you guys are interested. But yes, guys, today we are doing a Nicki Minaj makeup transformation. If you guys know me, you know I'm a barb at heart. I love me some Nicki, so it's only right that we mimic one of her looks today. So I've just started by moisturizing my face with the Ordinary moisturizer, and I love drenching my face with moisturizer when I'm doing a heavy look, and today we will be using loads of makeup, so brace yourself. So I've just set my face with the Mercier Translucent powder. This is the look we are going for. I love this look on Nicki. It's very bright under eyes, arched brows, cute kind of pinkish champagne-ish eyeshadow, and just a full-on barb beat. Yes. So the first thing I'm doing is filling in my brow with the Eylure brow pencil. This is in their light shade brown. They only have a few shades, so this is the light brown one. I do love the brow pencil. And now I'm going in with my Revolution concealer to define my brows, and I will also be using that concealer as a eyeshadow primer today because the concealer is quite thick, and yeah, no, it really does. It dries fast, so you have to work really fast with it, but it does act as a good eyeshadow base. Yes, so there I am, just using it as an eyeshadow primer and then using a small blending brush to conceal the whole of my lid. Honestly, filming this look was super exciting. Nicki was like the first person to really make me confident, so I'm so excited to be recreating this look today. So I'm going in with my MAC Warm Neutral palette to warm up my crease, and then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty palette, that dark brown shade. It's got a bit of a red undertone, so the eyeshadow look that we're going for today is it's very natural, and it's like rosy, champagne-y, because that's the look that Nicki also had on. Her eyeshadow look here is so beautiful. So the whole look is going to be very, very full coverage, but the eyeshadow look is actually quite neutral. So I'm just basically cutting a very soft crease with the Revolution concealer again. So I'm going in with that nice rose gold pinkish color from the Huda Beauty palette to and that will be my main base eyeshadow. And yeah, this color is so pretty, honestly. This was like my first time using it, and I was like, oh, this is really gorgeous. Then I go in with that the lighter gold champagne color to brighten the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm obsessed with this look. Okay, one thing about Nicki Minaj, one thing about our homegirl is she loves a thick eyeliner. I don't think I've ever seen Nicki with a thin eyeliner. And I was actually quite peeved with myself for not making my liner like super thick. I really wanted to get the thick look, but to be fair, for this look it wasn't that thick, not like her usual, so I guess I get a little pass for that. However, I do wish my liner was a little bit thicker, but yeah, I still did very much a thick eyeliner look. And yeah, honestly, I'm just obsessed with eyeliner anyway. Like, I do love a thick eyeliner, so this wasn't very much out of my comfort zone. Now I'm prepping my face for some for foundation and stuff. I used the Smashbox Prep and Prime spray, and then I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl foundation and Iconic Liquid Illuminator to, and this will literally just, oh my goodness, this foundation is so full coverage. But yeah, this will be my main base for my skin. The Iconic Illuminizer is really nice because it's, as you can see, like it really gives you that kind of, I don't want to use the word dewy because that's not what I'm going for here, but it gives like a nice hydrated look to your foundation. And guys, I'm about to drop some real tea here. So when it comes to concealing your face, the first thing you need to do is go in with a concealer that's very close to your normal complexion. This is why I always say always go in with the darker foundation, then use a concealer that's close to your complexion. As you can see, this one's quite close to my complexion. Make sure you blend it out really well to get rid of all the harsh lines, because that's not cute for when you like set it and stuff. And I hate when, like, you know, you take pictures and you can really see where the like contour starts, blending stops, and no, we want a seamless finish. So yeah, once you've blended that out, and honestly this takes, like, this look I believe took me close to like 2 hours, no joke. Obviously I've kind of sped everything up, but yeah, you've got to spend your time blending, unfortunately. That's why you got to be a little bit jobless. And then you go in with the lighter concealer, like super light, and use it very sparingly. You don't want to put too much, but you want to put it in the right places to give you that elevated, defined look. Once I'm done, you will see my face will look very much lifted, brighter, and it will really give me that Anika look, that Nicki Minaj look, because under her eyes are super bright, and I believe that's like the trend now. It's giving UK London girl makeup. And yeah, and we are very much into the bright under eye, keeping things neutral but very much full coverage and very much like beat. So I love it. Yeah, so back to what I was saying before about Nicki. I absolutely love her. She made me confident. She was like one of the first artists after Beyonce that I really got into. And yeah, I just, her lyrics and stuff, I don't know what 15-year-old Mercy did not have no business rapping those lyrics, but it really did build my confidence with makeup and stuff. So yeah, this is a moment of honor for Nicki Minaj. So guys, quick, I have to be honest with you guys. I filmed this over a year ago, so I'm still using some OG makeup, like Ben Nye. I don't think I've used my Ben Nye in a while, but as I'm watching this video, I'm like, I need to bring that back out because it's cute. So what I'm gonna do now is go in with my Ben Nye banana powder because it is quite neutral, and then I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier, because if I went in with the Laura Mercier first, it would have been quite ashy and the flashback would have just been distasteful. But because I've already prepped with the banana, it will allow the Ben Nye to really work to give me that HD photo finish look without without a white cast or without me looking ashy. And yeah, make sure you just focus this on the areas you want it to, so that when you're contouring and taking your pictures, you don't have flashbacks in the areas you don't want flashbacks, basically. And you've got to take your time with this. And the key to getting the setting powder to really show up like that, it's by literally adding setting powder that's close to your complexion first, and that will allow the translucent powder to really show up. Now I'm just warming up my face with the Caramel Cutie bronzer by Fenty Beauty, and I love this because it's just such a natural bronzer. It's not too dark and it's not too light, so it warms up my face and acts as almost like a primer before I go in with a darker contour powder. Now I'm just contouring my face with a darker contour powder to give my face that chiseled look. Nicki's got very high cheekbones, so I'm trying to mimic that, and I'm bringing the powder a little bit higher than my actual cheekbones to give me some definition. And now I'm just brushing off all the excess powder. As you can see, because obviously I used a lot of powder, it was quite a lot to wipe off. So I am going to go back in with some product to remove any harsh lines and make sure I have a perfect blend. Now I'm going in with a little blending brush to contour my nose. Nicki has a very thin nose bridge. I was born in Nigeria, child. I'm Nigeria to the core. So I do have a very round African nose. And I think they describe my face as romantic. I have a romantic face because it's all round. I've got round features. But yeah, so I tried my hardest to pinch my nose to look like Nicki's, but that was near enough impossible. But I do go in later with some highlighter to just add some definition. Now I'm going in with blusher to warm up my face, add some dimension, some flavor. And Nicki had like a really nice pinkish blush, so I used that. And I definitely add some to your forehead and lower face to warm up your face. And now I'm also copying her lip. She had a lovely nudie pink lip combo, so I'm going in with my NYX lip liner. I believe this is in Cocoa, and then I top that off with the Kylie lip kit, but only the liquid lipstick. This was part of her Kylie times Balmain kit, and I'm using that pink liquid lipstick. I love this shade, but you have to use it sparingly as well because it is very pink. And I'm only trying to get the nude pinkish touch, not like a full-on baby pink lip combo. And then I go in with my Peaches and Cream lip gloss. And oh god, I love this lip gloss. Peaches and Cream lip glosses are delicious. Now these lashes I got from AliExpress, and I use these lashes because they go from shorter to longer. Nicki usually uses corner lashes, but in this look she did have more of a full eyelash look. And yeah, I'm so proud of myself with that lash. I was like, yes darling, I love it. But yeah, look at how the lashes have literally elevated my look. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. This is the one with the Amrezy collection, and I love this. Nicki's highlighter was very blingy, so that's why I use this to really highlight the points of my face that I want to look lifted and snatched. Now we are almost finished setting my face with the, oh god, look like I caught the spirit then, with the Morphe setting spray, and we are finito. Wow, I am absolutely in love with this look. Boom, yes, I added some mousse to my hair, and she is serving. Look at that. Nicki, is that you? Okay, you guys don't come for me, but I think I got the look down to a T. I can actually listen. This is a whole transformation. Like, who even is she? Who is that? I'm calling myself Mercier Minaj in this video. Okay, I love this look, and I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to subscribe, like if you enjoyed. Also comment some celebrities that you think I should mimic, that you would love to see me take on their look. But thank you guys for watching. It's been real, it's been fun. See you in my next one. Bye.